Heritage plants in Estonia. This is the heritage and conservation variety broadbean Helbi. The broadbean was grown by Väinö Lõhmuse and his family in Helbi village at Merettämäki, Võrumaa, at least since 1965. It is a very big broadbean, and today you can also buy its seeds. This is the heritage and conservation variety grandmother's pea. Tia Trolla, today Morphine, tells about the seeds the following. The seed she got from her mother, and her mother got it from her mother. And Tia's mother started to grow in her own garden in 1977, and from that time on she have every year taken seeds from this pea. And her mother remembers that also her grandmother used to grow this and said that this was her pea. Here you can see the grandmother Natalia Kask. She was born Lauk and was living from 1914 to 2003 in Kannu village in the former Lasva municipality at Võrumaa. And grandmother's pea is known for its very good taste. Here you have the garden bean Aunt Nöm. Magda Nöm was chief at Katrina's school, and in the start of 1970s she gave these beans to a teacher's wife, to Tio, and when she gave it she said, "Take it, it is good." And Tio have been growing this then all the time since then. And this bean is eaten as a whole, and it doesn't get fibers in it during the whole growing period. Here you have another heritage variety called Kruusiauku garden bean, and it was grown by Ellen Eskel. She lived from 1919 to 2012 in Kaarma-Takakylä in Väike-Maarja municipality. This bean is yellow, and the seeds when they are ready are black. And this is a bean that you dry the beans and can then store them and cook them to eat them. This is heritage variety Gerda broad bean, and Gerda Sarapu was living at Vormsi Island from 1922 to 2010, and she got this broad bean from another woman named Ruth, who came from the mainland at the end of 1940s. And in this broad bean we can distinguish at least 2-3 different types of beans, but they were grown and preserved as one population by Gerda. Here we have the heritage variety garden bean Porkkuni or Vöidu. This was found in Porkkuni, but Harda Allikmets, born 1932, it was her mother's bean, and her mother was living in Vöidu, close to Vändra. And it's a yellow waxed bean, and it is a high bush bean. The flower is slightly pink, and the seeds are black. This is a heritage variety of winter garlic named Helga, and Helga was living from 1926 to 2006, and when she died, then more than 10 years, this garlic was growing in her garden by itself. And when the new owner bought the house, then they found this garlic in the lawn and started to cultivate it again. It has a very good overwintering quality. So you can even eat it through the whole next summer yet, and some even the next autumn. So it's been preserved very well. It's not that big. Then we have heritage variety potato onion called Peipsi onion, and there are numerous of people who are growing this in Estonia, and you can buy them also in these local villages at the shore of Lake Peipsi. Here we have a heritage variety of Indian cress, Adele. Adele Kaljulaid was living from 1897 to 1984 in Vau, Väikemaale municipality. And this Indian cress has flowers that are yellow, orange, and reddish. If you have information about Estonian heritage varieties, you are welcome to contact our organization at www.maadjas.ee.